Hello. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to set up your Twitch profile to broadcast live. The first step is to click on the Create Live button. Now let's enter your transmission data. First add the name and then the email associated with your Twitch account. In the stream service URL, we will select the server. It is recommended to select the one that is closest to you. In the stream service access key field, we will enter the key provided by Twitch. To do this, go to your Twitch channel in video studio mode. Go to Settings, Broadcast, and copy the broadcast key. And then enter it in this field. After filling in all the fields, click Save. Now let's start the broadcast. Remember that streaming must first be started in your video software, be it OBS or Vimix. Okay, we are now broadcasting to Twitch. If you want to end the live, just click here. You can also edit your broadcast information. I hope I helped and see you in the next tutorial.